Good morning guys, today is December 5th. So I'm going to cook a breakfast. Poached eggs with toast. First we're going to boil a cup of water in a frying pan. And then put a little bit of salt, pepper. Toast our bread. Since our pan is going to boil, we are going to crack an egg slowly. Now we have one egg. Then slowly. Very good. So next, we will add again an egg. Add directly guys to the coach. Very good. Clap, clap, clap. Wow. Perfect. Wow. So we have our 4 eggs in the pan. Look, very. Now we will toast our bread. An oven in your house or oven toaster, you should have to toast your bread in the pan. Right. The same. I'll show you guys. That's yummy.